Hi, hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So today in this video we'll see how you can delete your category and the courses within that. Okay, so let's get started that. So for that you should have enough access to access that particular course category. Okay, so currently I'm logging with the admin credentials and here I have you see the class 1 category, then you see here the testing, then you see here LMS training. Okay, so I want to delete this course, this one. So in this case, first I will have to make sure where this particular course is. So in my case, this is within this category, LMS training. So I will quickly switch here by clicking this and I can select and I can click on delete. So the only the in case you have the purpose only not to make it visible to the end user, then you can simply hide this one. But in case you have no use of this particular one and you want to delete permanently, you can click here on delete and delete confirmation and everything will be deleted. The course and the tracking, all data, grade, outcomes, skills, everything will be deleted, all the contents. Okay. So now you see your course is gone from here. Got it? And suppose you have to delete this particular category. You see here within this category class 1, you can see here the courses, number of courses you see 19. Suppose you have to delete this particular one, you can simply select like we just deleted other one and delete. Okay. So now one will be reducing 19 and it's 18. And suppose you have to delete everything from here. Okay. So all the courses you want to delete, then you can simply delete this category itself. Okay. So while deleting a category, it will be asking you whether you want to move all these courses to other category. Okay, so let's see. If I click on delete, it is asking you to move content to other category. And by default, you see here the category selected is coming the top one. That was on the topmost. Then you also have here options to choose the other one. So in case you want to only delete this particular category and you want to move all the courses within this category to another category, then here you have option. But in case you want to delete all cannot be undo. Okay, so that means this not just this category, all the courses within this category will be deleted. Okay, so let me again come here. So if I click here and delete, and if I select this delete all, that means category and all the courses within this category will be deleted. Okay, so you'll have to make sure in case you want to move, keep the some courses you can move here. Okay, now coming to suppose you have to keep these courses, let's say this one, then how you can do that? You can simply move this to other category from here itself. Okay, so I can move here, let's say within LMS training and move. Now you see the number of courses will be reduced to 17 and you see here increase in courses of this category. Okay, so this is how you can remove. But you don't want anything of this category now, then you just have to here come delete and delete all. Okay, if you click all the courses here on this page will take time because it will delete everything like all the courses, all the content associated with that courses, all the users enroll, everything will be deleted. Like you see here, deleted course this, deleted course this, course this. So you see here it is deleting one by one course and you see step. Now you can click on continue. Now you see it's deleting. Correct? So again, if you have to delete this one with all the contents same way, you can do this one. But in case you want to delete and move this content to this one, then you will have to Just follow the systems. Okay. So course move to this course, and the content bank move to this deleted course category. Okay. So these is can follow. Now you see all the courses that was inside that particular category. The one we just deleted has moved to this course. Okay. Now suppose you have to delete from here as well. You can simply select whatever you want to delete, and you can move this to any particular one, and you can delete that category. Okay. So let's say I have to delete this, and I can create a category. Let's say delete category. And no, I want it on top. Yes. Now you see delete category is coming here, and I have to delete these four. So first I can move this for the safety purpose. Now all five move to this, and you can check one by one and verify, and you can delete in one go. Got it? So all delete. Okay. So this is how you can quickly delete all your category courses, and you have some options. You can try it out. Whichever is best suited, you can go for that. So that's it from this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.